In the last couple of days since my return from Elgin and the review of my fabrics and purchases that have come through the post and what I bought in Elgin, I have actually been doing some more crochet on a coat that I have designed for my spring-summer 2023 collection. I hope to do a small capsule wardrobe of things. And also I have been doing some carding and washing of the fleece, which I intend to spin eventually once I have dyed it in some of the colours that I have devised from my own fabric design that I've done since 2008. So you'll see that in the next part of the video, and then in the next video that will be published, I will show you how I intend to make up my dies. I'm not giving away too many secrets, of course. So I hope you enjoy this little video that's coming up, and you know, if you like what I'm doing, I don't like to force people to like and subscribe, because generally if I like it, I'll subscribe it. So, and see what comes through next. So I hope you enjoy what I'm doing.
Why?
And a nice little shout out to Jonathan Porterfield for helping me out with equipment and for giving me a few pointers on filmmaking. I will put his details in the description, and perhaps you'll get a little link to his YouTube channel somewhere here. We'll see if I can do that. See you sometime soon. Bye now.